What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. All right, so today I'm going to go over US30 breakdown, show you guys what I saw, why I was able to catch the pips I caught, and so forth. So as always, every trade I take, you guys can see right here, timestamp in my Discord for that. All right, now let's actually go straight into it. So the thing about this trade right here, I'm going to go to the higher time frame and showcase everything and then ball down to what's currently going on. All right, so let me do it this way. All right, so the thing about this trade right here, I actually got stopped out in profit at 98 pips. However, in the Discord, there are still more traders who took the actual full move for 253 pips. But again, as I said, I'm going to break everything down for you guys to see. Now, this zone was actually drawn up from last night. I put it in my Discord. Now, the reason why I drew it up is because, again, like I get from the low of the zone would be here, 15-minute time frame on May 1st, 11:45, and high of the zone would be here last night at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So looking at this right here, looking at Looking at this right here, I wanted price to confirm that it's going up, right? Because when I woke up around this area and I came into the charts, and we see that this is holding. However, we need confirmation to confirm that price is going to continue going up. Now, the first one we had was 096 based off of this candle right here for 30. Why? Because we clearly see that this is a double top. And that's when I confirmed that that was a double top. So I needed that to be it. The second one to confirm we're out of this entire shit and we're going to keep going up was this candle right here at 9 p.m. So now if we actually go towards market open, I'm going to show you guys what I took and why, right? We're going to break this down to right here. We're going to go to the minute time frame. So looking at this, right, we clearly see again, market is going to open up. I did see this candle at 928. The reason why I didn't take that is because, again, I don't want to take a candle that just pushes us to resistance. I need confirmation that shows that we are going to keep going up, and we don't have that yet. So we have literally 929 comes up. We have 930 that comes up as well, right? This right here is a huge retest from this. So based off this, I'm on a lower time frame, right? So based off this, I need confirmation that we're going to continue going up, and we don't have that because overall, what I was looking for, we do have a break of around this low, that 741. That to me shows that this is going to hold. We're breaking at this, and then price going to keep going down. We don't have that yet, right? So this right here is 930. 931 comes up. Rejection from this area, right? Huge rejection. Once we started pushing up, that was what I needed to show me that this right here, again, it's an aggressive buy, but that's right here was the support area we needed for price to continue pushing. And then from there, I just needed to break out of this, and then we're going to be set in stone, right? So again, I'm going to speed this up real quick so you guys can see what happened, right? Price came over here, right? Nice double top was created, came back down, retest, right? So based off of this, price came, and I put it in my Discord as well. We were talking about it. That was my stop was below this one. Why? Because again, once that breaks, that confirmed that more likely we'll have a break of structure and continue from the downside, and we don't have that. And you guys see this as well. Literally, price came at 952. Retest of that same zone, which is right here, retest of that. And then after that, price will continue. Now, what I need to confirm that we're going to be set in something good is a break of this. Once that breaks, we should be good to go. And then from there, we just waited. And we also know that ISM is coming in at 10 p.m. At 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So again, at the end of the day, as I tell you guys from every video I post when we go about trading from a news day, technical analysis shows you where the market is going. Fundamentals, it just lets you know when especially with news, when it's the right time to get into the market. So if we have like support is holding right before news comes out, more likely that news is going to push support to be bullish. If we are hovering around resistance before news comes out, more likely price will drop. So again, we're clearly see how this is playing out. This right here is 955, right? Price is pushing, and then from here, right? So we broke out of 188. Now, for me, my stop loss was at this point was based over here, and it was 98 pips in profit. As I said, the overall take profit was up here. I'll put a line to it. I'll put a line to it right there, right? And the reason why, because again, if we take everything off, right, if this support holds, the next place we have to go to is up here. All right, so now continuing from this, and I'll show you guys how I got stopped out. So, all right, so news came out, pushed it up, and then from there, price is dropping. Now, for me, the best decision would have been, and this is really sensitive because again, I don't think it was a bad stop loss in profit. I think it was a great way to protect capital, especially looking at structure. Looking at this though, if I would have had like my stop loss over here, obviously that would have been great. But again, as I said too, like to me, once that was broken and we came back down, I was thinking the impression once we break this, we should have no problem breaking out and continuing going, but we didn't. Literally, price came right there and kept going up. So yeah, that's my stop loss hitting profit. Again, as I said, there are still members in the Discord who stayed in the position. And again, at that point, they was like, no, are you going to get back in? Because I saw this opportunity as well. And I was like, honestly, guys, I'm done. Like, I literally, that was like not even 30 minutes of work. Well, just about 30 minutes of work, and I'm done. Right? So like literally, I'm just here for you guys to see how things will play out. And some members still taking it. And then from there, the take profit that we have that high was initially hit over right there, over right there. So just wanted to stay on here to make sure that they ate. Because again, like that's the purpose of it. Like, we want to make sure that we're all doing things, productively and trading the right way. And then I said too, I want to make this video for YouTube. I wanted to wait until I was done with the Discord. But overall though, again, so that right there, simple trade that I go about taking the same setup every single day. There's no difference. Most about being patient, letting this shit play out. And on top of that, you do want to make sure that you are protecting capital. Because at the end of the day, we're not trading to not make money. We are trading to make money. And that also boils down to protecting capital. Hope this video was great for you guys. Understand exactly what was going to play. If you like this video, leave a comment, share with others. If you are interested in a daily market breakdown as well as live trading session with us, click link in my bio as well as in the description below. And I'll see you guys in the Discord. Till next time, guys. Peace out.